There are two ways to add products to your Trendsi store. First is by adding products one by one, and you can simply hover over a product and click Add to Trendsi store. Or if you would like to add in bulk, you can first add it into a Trendsi collection before adding the entire collection over to the Trendsi store. So hover over the product again, click Add to Collection. It will default automatically to the My Favorites that we create for you, but you can certainly create your own. So I'm just going to do Fall Favorites, Create. And here I can move it out of My Favorites and into my Fall Favorites here. Click OK. And now when I hover over the products and click Add to Collection, it should automatically default to the very last collection that I've added a product to. So it makes it very easy for you to just quickly add a bunch of products into a collection. Okay, and now we're going to My Account and to Collections. This is how you can add an entire collection to your Trendsi store at one time by hovering over the collection, clicking Add, or going into it and clicking Add here, Add to Trendsi store. And now let's go view our Trendsi store. All of these products have been added. So as you can see in the beginning, the two individual products that I've added here and here, and then all the rest of these products were in my Fall Favorites collection, which added in bulk. Any of these collections or items that you add here will automatically generate the navigation bars on top. So you don't have to worry about doing that, and your customers can have an easier time to sort through these products. Now there are two ways to tell which products are already in your Trendsi store in case you lose track and start adding a bunch of products. First is you will be able to see, let me refresh. First way is by the symbol. There is a symbol, a T symbol on the upper right hand corner to indicate that this product is already in your Trendsi store. Another way to see it all at once is by going to your account and Added Products. Here you can see all of the current products that you have in your Trendsi store, and you can actually remove it from here. You can also click View on Trendsi store here. That's it.